Something is different about Cupertino this year. Usually, the first few months of the year are quiet, a time for software tweaks and maybe a new color for the iPhone. But as we sit here in early February 2026, the atmosphere is electric. The leaks aren't just about faster chips anymore. They are about a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. If you've been holding on to your M1 or M2 Mac, or if you've been waiting for Apple to finally take AI seriously, your wait is officially over. According to the most reliable supply chain analysts and internal code discovered in macOS 26.3, Apple is preparing for a February blitz. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are looking at a record-breaking slate of products, from the value king iPhone 17e to the world's first AI-native HomePad and the long-awaited arrival of the M5 Pro and Max chips. The era of incremental updates is dead. This is the 2026 Apple February event, and it's going to be the most disruptive spring launch in the company's history. The iPhone 17e, the budget flagship that changes everything. Let's start with the device that's going to be in everyone's pocket by the end of the year. For years, the entry-level iPhone was where Apple put its older tech. But the iPhone 17e is a complete pivot. Apple knows they need every user on their AI platform, Apple Intelligence. To do that, they can't sell you a weak phone. The 17e is rumored to skip the old chips and go straight to a version of the A19. But the real shocker? The design. The notch is finally gone from the entry-level lineup, replaced by a refined dynamic island. For the US audience, this is the essential iPhone. It's for the student, the parent, and the professional who wants the ecosystem without the $1,200 tax. It's thin, it's light, and it's rumored to come in a range of electric colors that make the Pro models look boring. But don't let the E fool you. With 8 GB of RAM as the new minimum, this phone is built to run the new, smarter Siri natively. This isn't a cheap iPhone, it's a smart iPhone. Siri 2.0, the brain transplant we've been waiting for. We have to talk about the second half of February. This is the window Mark Gurman and other insiders have flagged for the new Siri unveiling. This isn't just a software update, it's a brain transplant. For a decade, Siri has been the butt of the joke. "I found this on the web" has become a meme. But in February 2026, Apple is expected to launch the LLM-based Siri, a large language model integrated directly into the core of the OS. Imagine a Siri that actually remembers what you said 10 minutes ago. A Siri that can look at your screen, understand that you're looking at a flight confirmation, and automatically add the hotel details to your calendar while notifying your spouse. This is personal context awareness. And it's not just for the iPhone. It's the bridge that connects the new Mac Studio, the HomePad, and your Apple Watch. In February, Siri stops being a voice assistant and starts being a digital agent. The HomePad, Apple's new center of the universe. The biggest, all-new product category for the February event is the HomePad. For years, the HomePod was just a speaker. But the HomePad is something different. It's a 7-inch square display designed to be the command center of the American home. Think of it as an iPad that never leaves the kitchen or the bedside table. It runs a new Home OS and is powered by an A18 chip. It's designed to be always on, showing you your security cameras, your family cameras,